Prime Minister Anthony Albanese will receive legal advice on Monday from the Solicitor General regarding the implications of Scott Morrison's secret ministry positions. The legal advice will be delivered even as speculation remains around Morrison's future in Parliament, with reports on Sunday indicating the Liberal Party is eyeing off potential replacements for the former PM as the MP for Cook, but not until after next year's NSW election. Nine's political editor Chris Uhlmann said it is unlikely Morrison will remain in Parliament until the next federal election in 2025. Read more. Russia, Ukraine spar over fighting near nuclear facility. He can hang on until the end of the term if he wishes to, but I don't think it was ever likely he would do that, Uhlmann said on Today. There is an election in NSW on March 25 next year, and some of the contenders who might stick their hand up for Scott Morrison's seat, like the Attorney General in that state, Mark Speakman, are not going to put their hands up until after the election. So if there is to be a by-election, the coalition want to make sure it comes after that NSW election. Uhlmann said tomorrow's legal advice will outline whether any laws were broken by secretly appointing Morrison to extra portfolios. Things might quieten down a bit tomorrow for Scott Morrison if the Solicitor General's advice says no laws were broken, Uhlmann said. But if there is a question mark over that, it wouldn't just be a problem for Scott Morrison but also for the Governor-General, David Hurley, who signed off on the appointments. At this stage it's expected to be all legal, but we'll wait and see. You never know. Read more. Here 23-year-old pulls elderly neighbors from burning Brisbane House. Nationals leader David Littleproud told Today that the former Prime Minister's future is a matter for Mr. Morrison. He has a contract with the people of Cook and obviously he was re-elected as the member for Cook, he said. What the Liberal Party does after that will be a matter for them. Labour frontbencher Tony Burke said it would be a mistake if the federal opposition is waiting until after the NSW to replace Morrison. If the Liberal Party is now deciding whether or not Scott Morrison leaves Parliament is based on the timing of another job for another Liberal friend from the NSW Parliament, they've learned nothing.